your to-do list, or perhaps you feel distraction.
What happened to this car? The idiot in the Volkswagen suddenly drove ahead and crossed the lane and hit the car behind. The car was like a missile and hit the two cars in front. The bad driver was trying to escape but couldn't escape the policeman. A rear-end collision between three cars on the road of three cars at an intersection. The accident caused damage to the cars. Who is responsible for this collision?
And unfortunately,
the car traveling at an incredible speed collided head-on with the car on the road.
Don't hit us.
what the? Ay, dicen que todo esto
Oh my God! Wow.
Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
Long-term goals, you can easily feel demotivated. So remember to also write down the short-term goals.
There lies a long shadow. The tower dreamt.
That like the things you think win are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women.
Turn off the one that are not so important.
Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Пидор, блядь!
Как это так?
Любимая, нам не позволят это.
Предназначена для передачи.
Оу!
Что это?
Ах ты, блядь, сука!
Oh, there's an accident. They're saying change lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my god. Oh my.
Former church hurt by the big money for those boys.
Oh my. Holy sh**. I have the footage of it. Over.
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
They'll probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. I know it might take a little longer in my location. But no. Okay.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh wow, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
That face. collision caused by a distracted driver, pay attention to the road ahead to avoid accidents. A collision between a container and a car at an exit. Both cars were probably at fault for not slowing down at intersections. Two guys were so focused on talking to each other that they didn't notice the car coming in front. This car was going too fast, even though the traffic light was red, which caused a collision with two other cars. The car sped up, but unfortunately hit the rear of the car in front. Fortunately, no one was injured. The car suddenly changed lanes, impacting the vehicle next to it, leading to an accident. The car lost control, collided with two oncoming cars, and headed straight toward the cliff. I think the driver might have fallen asleep, which is why they couldn't control the car. A truck swerved on the road, causing its trailer to shift and affect the oncoming vehicle.